Our goal is to inspire an appreciation for modern industry. This video utilizes AI simulated visuals to provide a clear, intuitive look at complex engineering processes. Please note that all information is for educational and reference purposes only. Every year, millions of massive 18-wheeler tires are discarded across the globe. What looks like a wasteland is actually a hidden mountain of immense industrial wealth. These rubber giants have traveled millions of miles, and now they rest here, in this massive graveyard, waiting for their next evolution into valuable energy and materials. Look closely at these worn treads. They are scarred by the road, carrying mud, grime, and the heavy metal reinforcements that once kept them stable under pressure. This is not merely refuse. We are looking at a concentrated source of high-quality rubber, steel, and carbon that the world desperately needs for sustainable production. The transformation begins as specialized heavy machinery moves in. These giant claws can grab 5 massive tires at once, starting their journey toward the processing line. With effortless power, the diesel-driven engines roar, lifting tons of rubber. This is the first step in awakening the black gold trapped within these discarded shells. The conveyor belt hums with energy, moving the tires toward the heart of the factory. The scale of this operation is designed for maximum efficiency and speed. We leave the natural world behind and enter a realm of advanced engineering. The factory interior is a high-tech sanctuary where waste is systematically dismantled and reborn. Inside, the atmosphere is electric. Every machine is synchronized to extract every ounce of value from the tires, using cutting-edge technology developed for the modern era. Precision is key. Every tire is tracked and every process monitored by advanced software, ensuring that the recovery of materials is both safe and incredibly efficient. The stage is set, and these giants are about to face the most destructive yet creative force in the plant, the primary shredder, where their structure is shattered. Behold, the primary shredder. These rotating teeth are crafted from ultra-hard alloy steel, designed to grip and tear through the toughest materials known to the industry. As the tire enters the shredder, the sheer force of 200,000 Newton-meters of torque begins to crush the thick rubber and internal wire structure. The sound is deafening. High-tensile steel belts, once designed to withstand thousands of pounds of pressure, are snapped like twigs by the relentless power of the machine. The shredder doesn't just cut, it obliterates. Each rotation reduces the massive tire into smaller, more manageable pieces, exposing the raw components hidden within the layers. Heat rises from the friction as the rubber is torn asunder. These 20-centimeter chunks are the raw material for the next stage of this incredible industrial journey. This primary shredding zone is a symphony of destruction. It is a necessary chaos that breaks the bond between rubber and steel, paving the way for recovery. The journey continues. The material is now a chaotic mix of rubber and metal, but it won't stay that way for long. Separation is the next goal. A secondary shredding process further refines the size. Consistency is vital for the chemical processes that follow, making sure every piece is perfectly sized for the reactor. The vibration helps settle the material, allowing the heavier steel fragments to migrate toward the surface, preparing them for the invisible hand of magnetism that awaits above. Power is everything here. These massive motors work tirelessly, turning waste into opportunity with every rotation, driving the factory's mission of total material recovery. We are approaching the most visually stunning part of the process. The shredded rubber is about to meet the power of the world's strongest magnets. Suspended above the line is a neodymium magnetic system. This is the heart of the separation process, utilizing invisible magnetic fields to sort the debris. In slow motion, it looks like magic. Thousands of steel shards suddenly defy gravity, leaping into the air to join the surface of the powerful magnet above. The magnetic pull is so strong that it extracts 99% of all metal. This pure steel is a valuable commodity that will be melted and reused. Listen to the rhythmic clicking. Each sound is a piece of steel being recovered. This is the sound of industrial efficiency turning a profit from old scrap. The system is self-cleaning. A robotic scraper regularly clears the magnet, ensuring the magnetic field remains unobstructed and ready for the next wave of material. The separation is complete. What was once a useless tire is now 2 distinct streams, high-grade steel scrap and pure oil-rich rubber fragments. The rubber crumbs are now clean and ready for the most complex part of the process. Every fragment is inspected to ensure no metal remains to damage reactors. This black waterfall of rubber is the foundation of our energy harvest. It is pure carbon and hydrogen, the chemical building blocks of liquid fuel. Multiple stages of magnetic filtration guarantee the highest purity. In this factory, no resource is left behind, and no contaminant is allowed to pass through. Our engineers monitor the flow constantly. With the metal removed, the rubber is now ready to enter the heart of the plant, the thermal reactor. The organization is flawless. From this point forward, the physical dismantling ends, and the chemical transformation into black gold begins in the pyrolysis chamber. Welcome to the heart of the facility, the pyrolysis reactor. This is where the magic of high-heat chemistry transforms solid rubber into liquid energy. The intake valve hissed as it opens, feeding the rubber into a world of intense heat. Once inside, the chamber is sealed tight from the outside world. Sealing the chamber is critical. This process must occur in a completely oxygen-free environment to prevent the rubber from simply catching fire and burning. Pure nitrogen gas is pumped in, purging all oxygen. In this inert atmosphere, the rubber will be forced to undergo a miraculous molecular breakdown. The temperature climbs rapidly to 450 degrees Celsius. Under this extreme heat, the solid rubber begins to soften and melt into a thick liquid. Inside the belly of the beast, the molecules are being torn apart. This thermal cracking process breaks the long polymer chains of the rubber into shorter gases. Watch as the rubber vaporizes. It doesn't turn to ash. It turns into a rich gas, laden with energy and complex hydrocarbons ready for condensation. The hot gas travels through a sophisticated network of pipes, and every inch of this system is designed to handle the high pressure and intense heat of the vapor. As the gas enters the cooling towers, the temperature is dropped precisely. This causes the heavy vapors to condense back into a valuable liquid form. Here it is, the first signs of the black gold. These dark droplets are the condensed energy of 1,000 highway miles, now turned into fuel. Powerful pumps move the oil into massive storage tanks. This pyrolysis oil is high in energy density and is a prized fuel for industrial power plants. The flow is constant and steady. From a dirty, discarded tire comes this smooth, dark liquid, a testament to the power of modern recycling technology. System stability is paramount. The balance between heat, pressure, and cooling must be perfect to ensure the highest quality oil and the safest working environment. The oil is further refined in these columns, separating it into different grades based on density, from light spirits to heavy industrial fuel oils. Human expertise meets mechanical power. Our operators ensure every part of the distillation process is tuned to perfection, maximizing the output of every tire processed. What remains after the oil is extracted is carbon char. This isn't waste either. It will be refined into carbon black, a critical industrial component. This powder will eventually find its way back into new products, from plastics to pigments, and even back into the manufacturing of new tires. The pyrolysis wing is a closed-loop miracle. It captures every molecule, ensuring that nothing is wasted and no harmful emissions escape into our atmosphere. Even the non-condensable gases are recycled. They are burned to provide the heat for the reactors, making the entire plant remarkably self-sufficient and green. Behold the final product, pyrolysis oil, refined and ready. From this perspective, the dark liquid looks like a dark, precious gemstone of industrial energy. Quality control is rigorous. Every batch is tested for viscosity, flash point, and purity to ensure it meets the strict standards of our global clients. The black gold is ready for transport. Huge tanker trucks are loaded daily, carrying the recycled fuel to power plants and refineries across the nation. Each drop recovered is a drop we don't have to drill for. This is the definition of a circular economy recovering energy from what was once thrown away. In another section, the carbon black is packed. This fine powder is incredibly valuable in the manufacturing sector, used to strengthen rubber and provide color, from 18 wheels of rubber to sacks of pure carbon. This material will go on to become parts of new cars, electronics, and even household appliances. Don't forget the steel. These bales of high-tensile wire are 40% of the tire's weight and are sold back to steel mills for infinite recycling. The logistics of the factory are a dance of efficiency. Every product, oil, carbon, and steel has a designated path and a waiting buyer in the market. The sheer volume is breathtaking. This warehouse represents thousands of tires that will never sit in a landfill, polluting the earth or catching fire. Branded and ready, Our products are recognized for their quality and their contribution to a sustainable future, proving that industry and ecology can coexist. 40% fuel oil, 35% carbon black, and 15% high-quality steel. This is the harvest of the world's most advanced tire recycling plant. It is soft to the touch, but hard on the market. Carbon black is the backbone of the industrial world, and we produce it with zero waste. The cycle is almost complete. As these trucks leave, they carry the promise of a cleaner world, powered by the very waste we once feared. And this is the mark of excellence in recycling. We don't just process tires. We refine the future, one molecule at a time, for a better planet. As day turns to night, the factory never sleeps. The flow of old tires in and new energy out is a pulse that beats for sustainability. Destruction, separation, transformation, and creation. This is the industrial symphony that turns a used tire into the lifeblood of modern energy and manufacturing. A new batch arrives. The journey never ends. Every tire that comes through these gates is a victory for the environment and for human ingenuity. The pride of our team is evident. We are not just workers. We are the guardians of a new industrial revolution that prioritizes the health of our Earth. We are part of a larger movement. By reclaiming the energy in rubber, we reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and move closer to a circular world. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the ultimate factory. Here, and every ending is just a new beginning for the materials that build our world. If you are passionate about the power of machinery and sustainable solutions, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into incredible mega factories. From the graveyard of tires to the flowing black gold, this is the future of recycling. Stay curious, stay green, and we will see you next time. Goodbye for now. The Ultimate Factory Tour continues in our next episode. Don't miss the next revolution in engineering and power. See you soon.